twalabe Samuel, you and your baby daddy, baby w'abaana abo.
Yeah.
Abaana ensonga ezo ziri zitya Zari?
I think it's a general thing. Ng'omwana wakeera ku machana ngamba nti why are we not with our father? Nibogezaako kibanyoyera ng'omwana omuto, like they wouldn't understand why she's talking to Taata. So for me it was like I never broke up the family. Even though we were the Taata, I think he would be in a better position to explain. Kubera so after n'abaana bange n'entandika kugamba Tamu Wenzi, which I can't. I'm like, no, ask your dad. Kachana you know, to cover his side, it's Mama who broke up the family.
And then go look so gorgeous.
Thank you.
You look good, eh? What you call it? Tomorrow, what you call it?
Simani.
Otherwise, I'm going to go back to
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay, so give me white patty. Take what like preparations is it?
I mean, two pushing up from behind the scenes. We're gonna put in your poster in a few days. The final poster with the venue and everything. I'm going to do the two-letter. I'm going to call guest appearances, obviously. So we're going to call it. I want to talk about young famous and African. So I want to some of the cast members right in that way. So yeah.
Ochetegekedde otya Zari ko omuntu nayinza Zari ekintu white party agyetegekedde atya ye ng'omuntu?
Gyetegekera nnyo. White party has always been a success. So tulina just kwongeramu bintu birala, abantu balaba okay nti kyekinjawulo kye tugenda okukola. So yeah, otherwise I'm ready. I was ready.
Naye munne kisiriseemu kuba munnaaye osirise like teri bantu like okubanga okyawunawo nsinga obungi kubanga abantu bakitegeera onaavaawo nga tekibulamu biki biki.
So White party is always a success. So nga wengambye nti post egenda kufuluma munaku ntono post egenda kufuluma abantu bategeere bw'oba ogula table bookingira wana ebintu. But it's confirmed it's definitely 22nd December. Yeah.
22nd December. Naye tulaba abantu abasinga bonna bategese obubaga mu December. Zari ogenda lw'okikwasaganya because tulinayo dollar party. Wagiwuliddeko?
Sinagiwulira, but at the end of the day it's what it is. Nze nkola party nga waliwo n'abantu abakola party olunaku. N'okola white oli n'agamba white and red. Ne batuuka mu white and red nga tebikoze naye ng'oli ayambadde red n'ategeera nti emba tekikoze wano. Nsala busazi. I have no competition, let me tell you that. White party tebera nkona competition. Emyaka gyonna gye nkoledde white party since 2011 tebera nkona competition. So I'm very confident.
Omuntu ayinza okubeera n'agamba nti byonna $1 party ne white party biri omwezi gwe gumu. Do you think nti abantu ababeera mu white party sibe the same people ababeera mu dollars party?
I think waliwo abantu kye mutategeera kuba zino theme parties zaaliwo before then nenzija ne Zari all white party ne muwulira cash kings ne muwulira money bags ne muwulira yaba Ivan bagitangani njerabide. With me it's different. When I throw my parties abantu bajja because they are my fans. Waliwo oli nga takulabangako I love Zari. I just want to see Zari.
Yep.
The city muhimbi, city mzanyi wa movie, city mzambi wa mpira, but people just love me.
I think we're a star.
You understand? I'm just a star. I'm famous for being famous.
Yeah.
So people just want to come to my party too. That is it. Zari, and the vibe and everything that happens in my party. So whenever I walk with the party, there's reasons why and there's reasons. Mine is always, it's a get together with my fans. So I don't have a competition. Dollar party is no Zari white party. It's a Zari white party. Okay. It's not a dollar. It's a Zari white party. That's the difference.
Imabega ka utakulwa kubanga okola party ya sembe ya pool party. Tiyakwisa bulungi ati. This time around tusubire nti tubadde tumanyi tulina guts ziddamu kukola kintu ng'ekyo olw'okuba nti kiri tekyatambula.
Not really. Nze sikola parties Uganda, by the way, in case you didn't know. Ogwo mukolo gwa pool party yali ku Sky something hotel. It wasn't my event. So baategeka omukolo gwabwe, I wasn't involved. All I was chebakola, they paid me an appearance fee. Ffe tulina omukolo, this is how much we're paying you, ojja kujja. So the committee, the organization in Gabo, tebatambuza kintu ku ground. And it's not my responsibility. I pushed what I needed to do. Ku ground waba tebakola bulango and everything ne kigana, I can't be blamed. Teyali party yange. Era buli omu akimanyi ze party zenkola Uganda ziri eno white party.
Abantu kyabayisa bubi nnyo okubanga bamenya obutebe ebintu by'abantu ebyonooneka.
Remember we mentioned to be a promoter. He should have known. He should have known. So at the end of the day, I was paid to come and to attend. Zari Abulidde.
Tulaba nti ekintu kino ekyokuba pati bubadde bujja bubeerawo emabega kawo twalina omukyalo Donizera naye yali ategeka ekintu kyekimu nga mutegeka patis era ng'ategeka awalala naye naawe n'otegeka abalala the same day gye tuyita competition tusuubire nti this time around wabakubye enkokola tugenda kuddamu Zari Donizera tabiriiko n'omulundi n'ogumu.
Like at the end of the day, I wouldn't care. I wouldn't care. And yeah, in a party, I wouldn't care. Because I know mine, it's not a whatever, it's a Zari thing, which has been running for years. But to us stopping Amoka when Ivan died 2017, 2018, I was still recovering from all of that. 2019, 20 and all those things, then COVID happened last year, 2021. So I mean, there was a lot of rebuilding from my end personal, which Ivan Yafar and then the COVID. So I think this time around, let's not even just say Zari or the return of the Zari oil. Yeah. So I'm very confident.
Very confident.
Very confident.
Kyonna ekijja.
Very confident.
Because tulaba nti essaawa zino eri White Party eriyo 23rd.
Mine is 22nd.
Then $1 million eriyo 20 years.
Tekirina buzibu.
Tunatera okumala.
Yeah.
Tulina commitment twalaga essambu you and your baby daddy abaana abo.
Yeah.
Abaana ensonga ezo ziri zitya zaabwe.
I think it's a general thing. Ng'omwana wakeera ku machana ngamba nti why are we not with our father? Ne bogezaako kibanyoyera ng'omwana omuto, like they wouldn't understand why she told me that Taata. So for me it was like I never broke up the family. Bitewe mu bibuuzi Taata. I think he will be in a better position to explain. Kubeera so after n'abaana bange n'entandika kugamba Taata Wenzi, which I can't. I'm like, no, ask your dad. To cover his side, it's Mama who broke up the family. But I mean, it's public knowledge. I didn't break up that family. So at the end of the day, I did my part. It's me. I will take the responsibility because I know at some point and they will understand where I'm coming from. Oh, so you've been covering for him. Why didn't you tell us the truth? I'll be like, my team was agitating it at that time. But it's okay.
Mwenda mama ne Taata tetukyabera miyandi yoddala tetukyabera fena lulizo bwetine
abaana bakimanyi for a long time sine Taata wabwe. I think tebalaba nti lwaki Taata tasobola kubeera wano n'asulawo or something like that. So I say, but I'm not with him. Nabo kwe kumugamba, yeah, because she has someone else. Because I'm not with him and siraba lwaki mankikwekerera. Yeah, they need to understand. Era kuba ye teyakita district, so it's okay. Tasobola.
Wateekawo ekijini.
Tasobola. Nze ekintu bwe mankimaze.
Ennaku zentabo omukwano gubatawo omukulu Shakiri.
Mwami Lutaya talina buzibu. Mwami Lutaya mpa emirembe, mwami Lutaya talina waswasi, mwami Lutaya ali settled, it's just there.
Ate muvubuka muto.
Nekitali ekyo. I think it's very difficult okusanga omuntu akutegeera. Lutaya ntegeera bulungi, like my everything. Yinza okuba nti nategeera what my next step nga sinaba nakujogera. Nakitegeera. So I think with me, abantu era bayinza okubuuza what's so different with him. He gives me peace.
Beside peace.
Peace. Omuntu akuwa emirembe nga bw'otuuka bw'oli owulira nti n'ebizibu ku nsi tolina. Sobola okuva South Africa eyo nga ndese ebizibu n'enzija Uganda nga mmanyi kangendekera Mwami Lutaya kantuule. Just by being with him netuula we tuti that's it. It's enough. Abantu basobola kitegeera, but that's it. Osala tebampanga nk'oku mirembe. Lutaya jampa. I'm very peaceful.
Emabegako wenaka statement ku Snapchat. Omusajja mulungi akufollow ku Snapchat. Ogamba tobeerangako mu scandal z'abasajja.
Which is the truth. It's the truth. Nsiberangako mu scandal z'abasajja. Temunkwatangako mu scandals. Wanzala ayagala abasajja b'abantu babba abantu. I avoid because I know it's something that I wouldn't want to be done to me. Especially that I've been there, obviously, when I was in a diamond and there was somebody else and all. So that pain, I can relate. My integrity won't allow me to get a married man. I'm a loving person. I want to be with you, like Ibrandina, where I can go out, I'm comfortable. Ngambera bulungi. Lwaki mbera nga nina omuntu nga nneraliikirira ndagawa like even time I need to be with you, like it's just you and it's me. See now as well okay. So I'm that sort of person.
Should we think or what should we think Shakili Galanda Wabasajja?
Almost maybe 2 seconds.
Like Galanda Wabasajja.
Omanyi nabagamba tewali baby wagwe nabaga tewali abagamba nti falling in relationship okera ku machane gwawo like that ne Ibra for 2 seconds. Then why would I even parade him if I want to be with him for 2 seconds more? Like I can be with you in the chigwere. But with me personally, I think I'm very independent, that I don't take bullshit from men. So when a person messes up, never a red flag, I don't mind leaving you and getting to another person. But right now, Sharif is giving me the peace. Baby, how many months are we going? 8?
4 years.
Well, we dated before and then we broke up. Yeah, and then we got back together. Yeah. But getting back together now, I think we are going to be 9 months.
But it sounds interesting. Okay, just tell him something.
Baby knows, I tell him all the time. I think he's a very nice guy.
Okay, so for you to have white party,
yeah, so guys, 22nd December 2022, Trina, the return of the Zari Abulidde party. The cast from YFA, Young Famous and African, Ragina Kujava, Swanky, and some of them Badger. So, as you know, look beautiful, look glamorous. Our Sajja Sawa, Yokore Miri, our Kazi sit-ups, there's a whole boy we know by Mira. Yeah, now I'm going to Mongere, Mukanga, white, you know, Kwaka. Then go about designer and offers Nanga Yambareko something, you know, to say, I'm dressed by a Ugandan designer. No, you're going to say South Africa. What am I calling it? But no, you're going to pay.
Then you call it?
But when design can okay, and Jagala can no Mukakole work at Mukankole.
Okay.
I would love to support designers there. They are upcoming, but I'm not going to muri mu bana designing ngo nenga tekanabera kuba nkolere ko baba kuweereza onke
kalima
tize njagala kumwambaza